Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new change that they have on the Grow a Garden trading event. So new trade is in a few seconds here, and as you can see, the current cooldown now is 10 minutes. So you don't have to wait an hour to submit your plants to Trader Troy. Also, the streak resets in, I don't know, like 12 hours maybe, um, or more. I don't actually know, like, when the streak resets, but it's not, like, in an hour, so you do have time to, like, submit your plans. It is made so it's a little bit easier. So, yeah, make sure you submit your plans now because of the change. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Here, I'm just going to submit some of my blueberries. Let's see, we need like 40 something. I'm like getting some other plants there. Let's get some from here as well. Okay, hopefully I have enough. If not, I'll have to go back. But basically, it is now a little bit easier because of the cooldown and because of the streak reset as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!